Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Ask the Gov. Let's begin. Our first question comes from thesacnews.com via Twitter. SAC News asks, how will mental health be funded now that the counties can no longer levy for that purpose? This session of the legislature, we passed a comprehensive mental health and developmental disabilities reform piece of legislation. And that legislation will have the state managing this system and providing the services on a regional basis to meet the needs of people that have mental health and developmental disabilities. The costs will be funded, and there's a significant amount of federal funding on this, but the match will be from the state in the future as opposed to from the counties for the Medicaid portion of this. So the state will be replacing what the counties have had to pay for this, and the state will also be managing the system on a regional basis. So we think that this is going to be able to provide better, more unified services and hopefully reducing the burdens, especially on the local property taxpayers. Our second question comes from Kim via Twitter. Kim asks, what are you doing to help Iowa's hospitality industry, and is any legislation pending to benefit this industry? Well, certainly promoting and encouraging tourism in Iowa is something I think is really important, and we're doing all we can, the Lieutenant Governor and I, by traveling all over the state and making people aware of the wonderful opportunities there are and the places to see and the things to do in Iowa. We also have a state tourism map and a visitors and tourism guide that's available for visitors to the state of Iowa. And as governor, I'm very proud every opportunity I can to market and promote Iowa and let people know Iowans are among the friendliest people they'll ever find. Iowa's a low-cost place to visit, and it's also full of a lot of wonderful, friendly people. So we definitely want to encourage to come and enjoy the great hospitality of our state. Our third question comes from Sean via Facebook. Sean says, has a toll system for 35 and 80 ever been talked about? Interstate 35 and Interstate 80 are federal highways and were built with 90% federal funds. They cannot be converted into tollways without paying back the federal government. So that's not really a feasible option. Some other states have developed tollways, but they have not been done by converting interstate highways. We believe that most Iowans do not want to have tollways in our state, so we believe that the users of the highways are the ones that need to pay for the repairs and the improvements of it,